Traditional triangular arrangement. Using line materials, we create a triangular outline. To get the proportions correct, the first piece, which is going to be upright, needs to be a minimum of 1.5 times the largest dimension of the container. It is placed in 2/3 of the way back in the foam in an upright position, so that the tip is directly over where it goes into the foam. I then put in some side pieces, which are going to set the parameters of the outline. These need to come over the edge of the container, and they are anything between half and the same length as the first piece, usually nearer the half mark. So I'm going to cut these and place them in over the lip of the container, but in line 2/3 of the way back in the dish. So when you pick from your bushes, if you're picking in your gardens, if you go to the different side of the bush, you can get a curve that goes the opposite direction. So I've just placed 2 side pieces in, which are going to set the width of the triangle. And I'm now going to place in a front piece, which is going to be roughly the same length as the 2 side pieces, and is going to come straight out over the lip of the container. I'm now going to complete the outline, filling in with my line materials so that I achieve the 3-dimensional triangular shape. Stepping down as I go. Not forgetting to go backwards. So we come out that way and round the front as well. Using another material, I'm just going to reinforce that outline, coming in a little bit behind it. Now I'm going to use some transitional material or filler material. Which is going to be set just behind those materials and start to fill the whole design. To give a contrast of texture, I'm going to use a conifer cut very short and used as recession against the foam. This will also help to link the colour of the vase into the design. To create a point of emphasis, I'm going to use some large leaves. The ivy leaves are going to cluster around the centre of the design. A traditional triangular arrangement, all the stems should appear to radiate from the centre. Come in the opposite direction, I have some kale leaves. To add a little bit more of the jasmine, just to bring the white flowers throughout the whole arrangement. Now to put the dominant flowers in, I have some dahlias. All these materials are from my garden. And I'm going to place these in a lazy S shape so that the most dominant one is at the 2/3 point down the design with 1/3 below it. So all the other stems are going to appear to radiate from that flower. Just to add a little bit more of a link with the dark Nicandria pods that I have used, I've used just a very tiny little bit of the copper beech. There we have a traditional triangular arrangement, which, as you can see, is triangular in shape but also 3D.